Hello there, I'm Brian from FramerLab. Today, I'm going to show you how to use our classic 1 PSD templates pack in Photoshop. This collection includes 12 ready-to-use PSDT templates, crafted with clean layouts and fully editable layers. Here's how it works. You will get a zip file including 12 PSDT templates and a PDF showing you how to use them, right? Open any template file in Photoshop. Then, double-click the Smart Object layer. Make sure you click on the little icon to open it. Drag and drop your image. Resize it to fit the canvas. Don't forget to save before closing the Smart Object. Once you go back to the original template, you'll see your image updated immediately. Oh, and by the way, you'll notice a purple label on each editable layer. That means you can change the text, adjust the colors, or even update the background, making it fully customizable. Classic 1 is perfect for social media, portfolios, and creative projects. No need to start from scratch. Just insert your photo and you're good to go. FramerLab, tools that make your creative workflow faster and easier.